Hello, class. This is a video that I put together for all of my project management courses, regardless if you're in PM 690, 691, 692, or 693. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the additional work and the unexpected event. Um, I I've been receiving some emails, and I figured it would be best if I just put a video together. The templates for this aspect is the same in every single class. What I'm asking you to do is note what the additional work is. This could be a direct copy and paste from the email that I sent you. And then note the impact. So if you look at the template, which I'm looking at right now, it says, note the impact of the additional work on your project. Ensure you note the time, resource, and cost implications. So I'm looking for very detailed and specific information. This means, for example, let's say I'm building a school, and my additional work will impact my time allocation by 4 weeks. So I'm going to be 4 weeks behind schedule if we do this. Or I need 12 more resources for what I'm asking for at a certain rate. And then any cost implications. So don't forget that your indirect costs increase as your project time increases. And then the actual cost of going over, there might be materials associated with that. So I'm looking for and any risks that potentially would be associated with that. What does that do to your risks? Do you have to, are there now new risks based on this new additional work that I've asked you to do? The additional work section and impact should be a separate section from the unexpected event and the impact from the unexpected event. And then there's an overall conclusion to the project. Do you say that, if we implement, you may have 3 different solutions. So you may say, we can complete the project on time if we have additional X in our budget. Oh, and thank goodness we have this in contingency. So we can do option A, or option B would be to go over for 4 weeks and stay on the course of the budget. Or option C, we may want to sacrifice quality in some events to try to get the project completed within cost and time. But tell me what those specific events would be. By now, you should have a really good flavor of what your case is in week 6 or 7, based on which class you're taking. And you should be, like I said, you should be very, very specific as how this additional work and an unexpected event will impact your project. Now, the next thing on the template, it says, ensure that this section is kept separate from the rest of the project. You still have to combine this in your overall project plan. Remember, all of your week's work are additive. What I'm saying is there should be a section called additional work and unexpected event. And then within that, you have a header called additional work. You copy and paste the additional work. The impact, this is your analysis. How is this going to impact your project overall? And remember, I'm looking for bullet points. Give me a couple of sentences on what the impact is, and then really bullet point, our cost will increase this or this. The same thing with the unexpected event, and then give me a high level overall conclusion to how these things impact your project overall. It should be a different section within your paper, which when I say ensure that this section is kept separate, it means do not take this additional work and unexpected event and put it throughout your entire paper. We will be doing that in PM 693 towards the end of the class, but we're not doing that now. So if you have questions or concerns, please let me know. I hope this video helps. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.